Hi friends, have you wondered what do you say when you meet other people? Don't worry. Today I'm going to teach you different ways to greet people in English. The first one is a very common word, hi. You can just say hi when you meet people followed by their name. For example, hi Sid, hi Priya. The second one is hello. Hello can be used formally and informally. The same way you used hi, you can just say hello followed by the people's name. The third one is hey. You can just say hey followed by the people's name. For example, hey Rahul, hey Ramya, and likewise. The next way you can greet people is according to the time you meet them, like good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, good morning is a kind of a very formal word, but how can you make it a little less formal and make it sound a little more casual? So, you can just say hey, followed by just morning. Hey, morning. For example, you just walk into your office and you see your colleague sitting there. So, you can just tell him or her, hey, morning, which is understood that you're trying to say good morning. The next thing you can say while greeting people is nice to meet you. This you can say followed by hi, hello, or hey. You can just simply say hi, nice to meet you, or hey, nice to meet you. Then you can say nice to see you. But this you will say only when you know the person. If you already know the person, you can just say nice to see you. Hi, it's nice to see you. Or hey, morning, nice to see you. Another sentence you can say is long time no see. This might be grammatically incorrect, but this means I haven't seen you for a very long time. So instead of saying I haven't seen you for a very long time, you just can say casually long time no see. Followed by the same words we used earlier, hi, hello, and hey. Hello, long time no see. Another sentence you can use followed by hi, hello, and hey is how are you? So you can just use it casually. Hey, how are you? Then you can add one more word to how are you, that is, how are you doing? How are you doing? Another way you can ask this is, how have you been? How have you been? Hey, how have you been? Then you can add one more word, like, how have you been doing? How have you been doing? So instead of asking, how have you been doing, how can we make it sound a little more casual? How you been doing? How have you been doing? Another way you can ask the same thing is, how is it going? How is it going? So you can just say it casually like, hey, how's it going? How's it going? Or you can simply ask, how's everything? How's everything? Hey, how's everything? Otherwise, to keep it all short, you can just say, how's things? Hey, how's things? Or, how's life? Hey, how's life? So try to use these sentences in your conversation the next time you meet someone. Hope this video was useful. So let's see again in another video.